It's your boy Polly C coming at you with another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlogs. Okay, so I've already done that room. I should have taken before and after pictures, but I did not want to insult the client. You'll see here we've already finished most of the areas, but look at that wall. That is dirt, and it is that way throughout the entire house. And there were poop stains and pet stains. I think the dog recently passed away, so we're cleaning, and man, I will tell you, I should have taken before and afters, but like I said, sometimes you just don't want to take a chance of insulting your clients if they happen to see the video. They are cleaning it up. I'm not sure what was going on with the dog, but anyway, I did have to recruit my wife to help me out. I'm very busy today. She is using the rug renovator. You can see she's putting a little too much muscle into it. It's all good though. She's putting down some deep lines, deep triangles. I usually glide over it. This rug renovator does have wheels on it, so you don't have to bear down. And you can also extend that pole up to 9 feet, and then you don't have to lean forward like you see her doing there. But she is doing a thorough job, and I'm appreciative that I have her helping me today. Especially when I arrived at this job. Oh my goodness. And I did use actually Green Dragon today. My wife loves Green Dragon, and as soon as she saw this job, she hid the awesome end cap from me. Oh, Damon knows my wife loves Green Dragon, and she put the Green Dragon right there by the sprayer or by the tank. So I mixed up the Green Dragon at 4 ounces per gallon in my 4-gallon sprayer. There was a horrendous smell or odor in this home as well. And so I did put, about half of a bottle, the little pint-sized bottles of the Sensational, that pink color. I'll probably show it to you in the bottom of my 4-gallon jug. But that stuff, man, it is not going to kill bacteria or eliminate it. What it is it basically just masks the smell. And it does just not mask, it destroys the smell. It's just a deodorizer. And it worked fantastic. Look at those triangles. I did post-spray with odor death to help with any of the smell. But look at these pads. Oh my goodness. I'll have my wife spread those out here in a minute so I could show you just how bad they are. I only did 1 bedroom, a hallway, living room, dining room, and I think I used 5 or 6 pads. And I did all my pre-scrubbing. I pre-sprayed it with the Green Dragon, and I used that brush that she's grooming with and the aggressive side to agitate. So I did all my agitation manually, and then came through with the Super Zorbs. I think there was 1 Glad pad in there as well, but check it out. You'll see. Look at those results. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, there's another couple of them underneath there. You could see these were snow white when I started. And of course, I went through a room with the pad, and then when I got to the back side of the room, I put another pad down and worked my way out backwards. So I got 2 extraction processes. And then in this living room area, I actually used double pads, went over it twice because it was really, really heavily soiled. Look at that. I mean, this is amazing. Man, I truly wish I would have had the before and after pictures. Oh, for sure. I mean, I have the after pictures, but I should have taken the before. But you got to be careful when you're in somebody's home, respect their privacy. They did allow me to take pictures. I know they were a little nervous at the beginning, so I thought, well, I'll just take the after pictures. And I had no idea it was going to come out this beautiful. Hats off to my wife for choosing Green Dragon. Phenomenal stuff. I mean, phenomenal. So anyway, those are our results. I am going to wrap up all the stuff, send a picture collage to my client who had to leave for work so he can take a look and see the results I got. This is what I texted to my client using Pic Collage app on my iPhone. Available if you want that. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.